Hey.
Alright, what's up, fools? So today we're gonna be doing a harness, not just any harness. We're gonna be making a fuel pump harness. So first things first, as you can see, this is just a fucking floater. The actual fuel pump is like around this area. So we're gonna knock off the sound deadening and then we're gonna cut this bitch out. Cause I don't feel like dropping the tank today.
Then we'll go from there. Alright, so he just finished taking out all the, or a piece of the sound deadening. We believe the tank is somewhere like right here. Basically where this circle thing is, imprint. I felt with my fingers I went underneath and I was touching where the wire was. So we're just gonna trim. What are we gonna do? Square, circle? What do you want to do?
I don't know, most likely like a square. If I could put like a hinge, little latch on it, like a little door. This is just so it can help me in the future, you know, changing out my fuel pump.
Yeah, because you're probably gonna be running more power eventually.
Alright, now it's time to cut.
See how this goes.
A few inches later.
Alright, so we got it. Cut it, and right there is the fuel pump. Yeah. So what he's gonna do now, a little bit more this way, so when he lifts it up it won't hit. So we might probably do it to like right here ish, or like on this line, and then after we're gonna cut it up somewhere towards up here, because the lines for the thing extend all the way over here and they disconnect up here. So
The hard lines.
yeah, the hard line. So we're gonna need to cut it up here. So if he ever does it in the future, he could just unbolt it from up top instead of from the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Now it's time to take out the fuel pump. Alright. Put the bolts in a safe area.
I'm gonna bend the line down there.
I'm gonna bend that shit right now. Watch this. Oh, I should have stuck on something.
There you go. And look at that, full tank, basically. This is not stock. He already upgraded this. This is a 255, right?
Yeah, all we're gonna do is just rewire it.
Yeah, 255 wall, bro.
Because look, this is trash. Why does it go here?
Oh, yeah.
Why does it go here?
So
Why is it ground up there?
basically this is just a ground. This one is the power wire, but the thing is it connects to a metal connector that's up here, which is kind of dumb, and then it goes to the connector. So we're just gonna bypass all of that because we don't need that crap. And then that's all. Is that dirty or is that just wet?
Just wet, or dirt.
Oh, you don't have brake cleaner, huh? And say just get that and spray it. Go over there. You are gonna go up here.
So what I'm gonna be doing is making a whole new harness over on the cockpit, just if I could flip the switch and get it going.
Yeah.
Alright, so fucking like a half hour just bullshitting around with this fucking wiring. This is what we came up with. So power and ground straight from the fuel pump into the relay, and then we have power going to the relay, also to a switch up on the driver's side. Captain Uvas, what's up? See this? You can hear the pump going. Over here at the cockpit, turn that back off. Let me show you guys what's good. When my fans are going, pump is going. Now we get that bitch on. You can barely hear it. You can barely hear it now, but once it starts getting to temp, or like say I'm driving somewhere or something, start getting loud.
Will it get louder if you rev it?
Yeah. It works wonderful.
I don't think it's leaking.
Hey, what's cracking, my G?
Huh?
Probably my mom's gonna get pissed, but it's alright.
Just turn off the fuel pump.
Yes, sir.
It works, dude. Alright, so right now we're just taping it up with electrical tape, clean up the mess since the wires are everywhere. Then after, we're gonna use this ABS plastic, what he was talking about earlier in the day, to cut out for that, to cover it up, because we don't want a big ugly hole there.
And this just sections off my stuff.
It's basically gonna look like
All the way around.
all the way around. Yeah. Alright, so we got this in kind of. We're gonna do a few more, I think. And then we're done. Rivet gun. Boom, like that. Easy work.
That's it.
And harness is all done. You want to point the light up here? All right there. That loomed up. Everything. All the way up to the battery. So everything is still the same. We just cleaned everything up. Or he did. I didn't even touch it. We might. I think you should do one. Actually, nah.
That's the framer right there.
Yeah, never mind. Just leave it like that, I guess. But this is what it looks like. Basically finished product. So, yeah.